Bitcoin. It's the biggest cryptocurrency today by far, and everyone is talking about it because its price is once again on the rise. This is why in today's tutorial, I will show you how you can get free Bitcoin through the use of several apps. And they won't pay pennies like many other apps do. They actually work much better, and they don't require any investment from your side. So if you want to get paid some Bitcoin online, make sure you stick around and keep watching this video so you can set this up properly and in the end, get paid. With that being said, even though this is indeed a legit way to earn money online and it does work, it is not a get-rich-quick program and you cannot expect any unrealistic results. But if you do want to create an online business and make money in the long run like I'm doing so myself, make sure you check out the very first link down in the description. With all of that said and done, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. As I said prior, today I will show you how you can get some free Bitcoin. So without further ado, here is the first website in question. It's called cointoply.com. As you will soon see, this is arguably one of the best cryptocurrency websites that you can find online. For starters, it has paid out over $3 million to its users. And you can see below that it's trusted by nearly 3 million users as well. The first thing I want to show you before I even start covering the websites are the reviews. They are hugely important because crypto websites are generally scams and will not actually pay you. Cointoply, however, is the exception rather than the rule. It has over 2,000 reviews on Trustpilot with an overall rating of 4.5 stars, which is excellent to say the least. By scrolling down just a tiny bit, you'll be able to see that 85% of people rated this site as excellent, 7% as great, and only 6% as bad. So, as you can see, this is indeed a legit platform and it will actually pay you. We're only getting started though. When you come onto their homepage, you will be able to see in the bottom right corner it says, "Get it on Google Play." So for those of you who have perhaps been wondering, this does actually work on your phone as well, meaning that you can earn some free crypto when at home, but also when you're going somewhere, perhaps on a bus, in your car, or whatever. No matter where you are, if you have your phone with you, you can use Cointoply in order to make money, which is one of the best features of this website. Speaking of money though, what will you do in order to actually get paid? Well, that you can see on this page here. Once you sign up to this platform, you will be able to get paid by doing one or all of the following: play games, complete tasks and offers, share your opinion, as in complete surveys, and last but definitely not least, you can also watch videos as well. Out of all of these, the ones I'd recommend the most are the games and the videos. The former is extremely fun, of course, in comparison to, say, the boring surveys, while the latter is awesome because you don't actually have to watch the video. Just leave it running in the background while you are off doing something else, and you'll still get paid nonetheless. If you scroll down a bit on this page, here you will come across the frequently asked questions, and I want to show you a few things here that are extremely important to mention. First off, as you can see, there are no fixed limits to the amount of money you can earn. The average amount of money earned per month is $30, which of course isn't a lot. But you do have to keep in mind that you aren't doing anything hard or anything that requires any skills or whatever, so this is actually very, very decent. However, with that being said, even though most of the time you cannot expect any life-changing amounts of cash, the top users of Cointoply earn hundreds of dollars on a monthly basis. So if you do have some time to invest into the app, you can actually expect big results, which is simply put not the case with similar sites. Moreover, you can see here that this platform will not only pay you through Bitcoin, but also Dogecoin, Dash, and Litecoin too. And the minimum withdrawal amount is just $3. Once again, much better and lower than what other websites are offering. Last but not least, on this page here, you can also see that this website does indeed work worldwide. So yes, it will work no matter what country you are coming from. A feature that is extremely noteworthy as well regarding this platform is the interest rate. Once you surpass 35,000 coins on this site, which is like a bit over $3, you will start receiving 5% interest, which is crazy high. Banks will never pay you that much, so it just goes to show you how good of an app this actually is. Furthermore, the last thing worth noting on this page is the loyalty system. If you log into your Cointeply account on a daily basis, you will earn more money. So for those of you who do have a bit more time on your hands, this will come in very handy. Anyways, now that you know what the app is, how it works, and all of the awesome features it offers, let's get to the point. In order to start collecting free cryptocurrency from this website, what you need to do is go over to their homepage and then either enter in your email address here, or you can click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Either way, what you need to do from here is enter in your first name, email address, and password, tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally click on Sign Up Now just below. Cointeply, however, is not the only place where you can get paid in Bitcoin for free and with no hard work invested. Another one I would highly recommend you check out is this one here called surveytime.io. This app, just like Cointeply, has amazing reviews over on Trustpilot, as you can see. Once again, I am showing you this just so you can see that this is actually legit. Anyhow, as the name of the website suggests, you will get paid on here by completing various surveys. And before you get discouraged and all that, hear me out here. The surveys are not like on other websites. All of you watching this know that I am not a big fan of surveys. But the thing is, on this platform, they're not actually boring as they are on other websites. Instead, they're extremely good, and most importantly, this site pays more than any other survey website I've come across myself. $1 per survey completed is unheard of. It's cents that we're talking about most of the time, but not in this particular case. Furthermore, arguably the best feature of this website is the payment system. They will indeed pay you through Bitcoin, for those wondering. So this gives you options if you don't want to get paid through Bitcoin, but instead in cash, or perhaps you'd rather have a gift card from Amazon or Target. With all of that said, in order to start making money with this site, all you gotta do is connect your Facebook, Google, or Twitter account with this platform, which should sign you up in no more than 20 seconds. If you don't want to do that, then just email address here and click on Start Now so you can start getting paid through this website. Even though Cointeply is, in my opinion, much better for getting paid in crypto than this platform, guys, it's worth noting that if you combine this website with Cointeply, rather than using one of them solo, you will be able to make more money in the end. So don't just focus on this platform or the aforementioned website. For those of you who want to make money in passive income and not through apps of any sort, then be sure to check out one or both of the videos that should pop up on the screen any second now. And with that said, if you liked this video and you appreciate my efforts in making these tutorials, then please give this video a big thumbs up below. And since more videos are on the way, then you want to make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of them. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon in some of the upcoming videos.